I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes.
Good morning, guys. I bet you guys are like, is she not going to show us how much she weighs? What a bleep. I will, but I just wanted to get you guys this quick intro before I get into the good stuff and the juice of the video. I gotta hook you guys in somehow, right? So today's video, I want to show you guys what I'm doing to lose weight fast and kind of do a weight loss update and weigh in for you guys. The number one question is always, Amy, girl, how much do you weigh right now? And so I'm gonna not make you guys wait any longer. Let's cut to the weigh-in. It makes me so anxious to like show my weight and talk about my weight like on camera when it's not like 100% great, but let's go right now. So this is what we're currently getting. I'm seeing my water weight, my muscle mass, bone density, and body fat. This, I would normally weigh myself right when I wake up. I drank a shit ton of water and ate breakfast, so I'm actually a little heavier. I was about 135 point something earlier. And then it also shows my height as well as my age. So what you want to do is you want to make sure your feet connect with these metal parts here in order to actually access all the other information other than just your weight about yourself. So as you could see, my weight was 136.6 pounds. I'm not gonna lie, usually I would weigh myself naked and right after I peed when I wake up in the morning before I drink or eaten anything, but I kind of was an idiot and I ate a full breakfast and also drank a good liter of water because I was very dehydrated. I know I said in the clip that my body fat was a little high, but looking at the chart on the scale, 20 to 20, I forget what it was, but I'm on the lower end of a normal body fat. Okay, girl, I feel good about myself this morning. And then my muscle mass being 36.2%, I was pretty impressed with as well because I've really been working on gaining muscle and I feel like it's taken me a good year. Like last year in March, I started weight training again, but I still have goals. So anyway, what I wanted to say was the scale that I'm using is actually the Vanity Planet Body Analyzer scale. Obsessed with that scale, you guys. I've shown it in videos many times before. So although you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of the scale overall, I do love the Vanity Planet scale because it kind of helps me know and get where I want to be by seeing when I'm gaining muscle and losing fat, as opposed to just seeing like this is how much pounds you weigh. So it's great. I'm gonna leave a 60% off coupon for you guys in the description box. It's unreal. Yeah, you guys know I love this, and thank you so much to Vanity Planet for sponsoring this video because when I talk about stuff I love, you guys know I get so excited. All right, so I'm deciding what to wear to the gym today, but I did want to talk to you guys about some of my gym wear because I get asked about these sets all the time when I wear them in videos or even in the gym, and usually they're out of stock, but all of the Gymshark Ombre sets are actually in stock on the website right now. Please excuse the fact that mine are all creased, but obviously you guys know when I like something I get it in every color. So we have the teal and ice blue. I really like this pair. This is the black and indigo from the original colorways. You have dark gray, charcoal, and peach pink. Got light gray and chalk pink, the peach coral, and then the beet and chalk pink, which I think I'm actually going to wear this one today. And then the little crop tops just look like this, and I have them again for all of the matching sets over there. And then I wanted to show you guys these as well because there is a new favorite crop top on the market. These are by Puma or Puma, however you want to say it, and they're amazing. So again, I have it in the only two colors it comes in, this light pink color and then also in black. These actually are very supportive and compressive. I have them in a size small and the back has really cute detailing on them. So I will link to these as well as the Gymshark Ombre below, but these are like life-changing. Petition for Puma to make these in more colors like white, nude, green. I want them in every color. We are ready for the gym. I actually forgot about this crop top that I owned. So I'm wearing it with those leggings because the inseam kind of matches the beat of this top. I just got literal VIP parking at the gym. So yeah, basically right now what I'm doing for fat loss is upping my cardio sessions. I'm doing 3 to 4 cardio sessions a week, and I'm also weight training still 4 times a week. And today we are doing back and biceps because a wide back gets hoes in the sack. Comment below if you know where that's from. Basically, I have been like going on dates and things like that, so I've been having more wine, more cheat meals than I would usually have. Awkward. So that's why in the week I try to eat super healthy. So if I am gonna eat a little bit worse on the weekend or have a glass of wine, I compensate. But also the cardio does help to lean me out. Cardio, I'm still mostly on the treadmill. You guys know I love the treadmill HIIT. That loses weight very quickly. But I am also doing sometimes like on a leg day, I'll do 20 minutes of walking on a steep incline because I'm too pooped to do any HIIT. Like I can barely do the walking on an incline. Or I will just do some jogging sometimes, like a 12-minute mile. I'll do a little bit of jogging, or I'll even do HIIT on the bike sometimes. Whatever I'm feeling, I switch it up. Okay, so I'm starting off with an exercise that I don't even remember the name of. I think these are called lat pull pull downs, but basically you want to keep your back kind of bent forward slightly and a little bend through your knees, and pull the bar with straight arms straight down to your upper thigh, squeezing your lats at the bottom of each movement. Next up, we are doing some curls for the girls, just our regular bicep curl. I'm using a 15-pound weight and doing 20 of these. I wish it was flies for the guys, but I don't train chest.
Yeah, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be.
Unfortunately, this footage was slightly blurry, but I'm doing lat pull downs with a wide grip here. So I'm just doing this on the traditional lat pull down machine, making sure that I squeeze at the bottom of each movement and stretch all the way up. Moving on to cardio. So today I did a little bit of everything just because, you know, if I wanted to switch it up, it was the end of the week. So I started off by doing a warm-up walk.
It's really amazing how you got me.
And then I started doing some sprints. So I did 10 sets of sprints this day. My sprint speed is 9 kilometers an hour. I do 20 to 30 seconds on, walk for maybe 40 seconds at 3.5 miles an hour, and then I will do it back and forth alternating. Here I'm also adding in some walking on an incline. So I put the treadmill on a 10% incline and I walk at 3.5 miles an hour. I believe I did that for 5 minutes today, just to make up 25 minutes of cardio. So here I am doing some sprints again. We're back. Me after cardio, like, I'm literally so pooped, you guys. I'm actually lying here getting ready to take these clothes off so I can shower really quickly and then put on some like house clothes, some really ratchet house clothes, so I can make lunch, because I always get stuff on me. Like I get like spill food on me, so I can never wear like nice clothes to make food. And yes, this is all the clothes I showed you before my workout. I didn't put them away yet. Don't judge me. Messy girl. But I had a great gym session and I was able to get some clips, so I hope you guys enjoyed them, and I will definitely be bringing you more workout clips soon. So get up, Amy, come on, you got this. I've got a hair appointment soon in a couple of hours, so I need to like get it moving. Cardio, why you gotta do me like this? Oh my god, please excuse the hole in my shirt. I should just talk like this. But okay, so everyone knows you have to do some cardio in order to get some fat loss and to lean out. So I showed you guys what I'm doing for cardio, but diet is obviously very important. And so another thing when I'm trying to get lean fast is try to eat lower carb lunches especially, and also just lower carb meals in general. So right now I'm gonna make something that I'm obsessed with. I'm gonna make a Greek salad without any olives and with homemade dressing, because I'm obsessed with it right now. Right, so all you're gonna need is cucumber. This makes up the bulk of what we're eating. I'm obsessed with cucumber. Some grape tomatoes, some feta cheese, which adds a nice little bit of saltiness. I'm obsessed with feta cheese. For the dressing, I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice here, some black pepper, and then some oregano.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
Boom, we have our salad. Oh, I'm so excited to eat this once I mix it together. And this, you guys, has been my lunch pretty much every day for the last 3 or 4 days, because it is so fresh, it's so summery, and now I can't wait to dive in. I am the biggest idiot known to mankind because I missed a key ingredient, the red onion, and onion is like my favorite thing. I was eating it and I was like, this doesn't have the je ne sais quoi. So I just chopped up some red onions and added them in. Boom. Now this is a salad. For dinner, this is a lazy girl's dinner. I have my slow cooker going right now. You can see there is 2 hours and a half left. Right here is what I have cooking. I have some meatballs. These are just Italian meatballs, lean beef. All I did was put some red pepper, some onion, and some garlic and chop it up. And then I dumped a barbecue sauce right on top of that and mixed it all together and heated it up for 4 hours on low. That right now is one of my favorite lazy girl dinners because I don't have to do anything. The prep is literally 5 minutes of chopping and it tastes really, really, really freaking good, and it's proteins. And I know you're probably thinking, Amy, isn't barbecue sauce very high carb and sugary? Usually, but I have found the best barbecue sauce that isn't high in sugar and high in carbs, so actually it works. And also that like meal is going to be for days. Literally I'll have that for like 3 days. Creature of habit again. This right here is the barbecue sauce I'm using. It's by the brand Wildly Delicious. It is their applewood and hickory smoked barbecue sauce. This is lower carb, not too high in calories, so I just dump that on there and call it a day. So guys, it has been a few hours now and my slow cooker food is ready. I've just put on some more presentable clothes. I'm actually so tired. You guys have no idea. It's like coming up for 6 o'clock and I already want to go to bed because that cardio really wipes me out. But I just wanted to kind of come on here and wrap up the outro for this vlog because that is basically all that I'm doing in order to lose weight fast. The only thing that will change is that some days instead of doing back and biceps, I'll do triceps and shoulder workout. Some days I'll train my legs, and then depending on the cardio I do, I might do the bike. But I showed you a good kind of representation of what I do on the treadmill. And then obviously my meals aren't the same every day, but I am doing low carb. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if you guys would like updates along this journey and would like more of these kind of fitness vlogs, let me know because I can totally do them for you guys. But now I'm gonna go eat my meatballs and head to the hair salon to get this weave taken out. So next time you see me, I'll look slightly different. So yeah, as always, everything that I've worn and everything that I've talked about is gonna be linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up, and I will be back with another video really soon. Bye guys.